So if you are saving money in the bank right now, then you're making a big mistake. Why do you think the money will be sitting comfortably in the bank's mansion while unknowingly your money is working in another man's plantation? In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest 1,000 Ghanaian cedis into something profitable. So why put your money into savings accounts whilst you know you're going to get around 1% to 3% per year on your money working in the bank for a full year? If you put 1,000 Ghanaian cedis in the bank in January, the bank can pay you 10 Ghanaian cedis at the end of December. Thank you for saving with us. You are a real loyal customer. We appreciate your effort. But do you know inflation is around 23% in Ghana right now? That means you are losing saving money in the bank. Your money's buying power is now 23% less, meaning that the 1,000 Ghana cedis you saved in the bank from January to buy in December, you cannot use this same 1,000 Ghana cedi even with the interest to buy the phone again because you've lost about 23% on this same amount, which can also affect prices of goods. So what should you do if you have 1,000 Ghanaian cedis in your bank account? You should rather convert this savings money into treasury bill, which is worth around 15 to 24% a year while the money sits in the same bank. Or you can split the money and put half of the money into stocks and ETFs like Vanguard S&P 500, which can also give you around 8 to 10% dividends every year. And your stock price would have also increased 21% from last year till now if all things being equal. You could also invest into crypto investments like Bitcoin, which would have made you over 130% in just 1 year. You should know that stocks and crypto investments have their own risk. Make sure you research very well before you invest into any stock or crypto investments. I do not guarantee you're going to make quick money with these methods I'm showing you, but I do believe that investment is a long term and you should treat it as it is. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.